Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to hide unwanted MP3 or folder in Samsung Music Player. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to open my Samsung Music Player. Then for example, I'm going to hide my MP3 files from Quick Share folder. So these are the MP3 files from my Quick Share folder, and I'm going to hide it from the playlist. So we can go back, then we can go to the folder section, and after you have opened this folder section, you can click on the three dots and click on hide folders. Okay, and select the folder that you want to hide from your Samsung Music Player. And since I want to hide the folder, the Quick Share folder, I'm just going to select it. Then we can click on Apply. Okay, and now the Quick Share folder has been hidden, and I'm going to check it on my playlist. So this is my playlist, and all the MP3 files in the Quick Share folder will be hidden, as you can see. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide MP3 or folder in Samsung Music Player. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.